Hello everyone, it's Rich from Allerton Creek Farm. Just wanted to do a quick video and show you we got three cutting boards and one kind of serving board customer dropped off. They want them restored, cleaned up, re-oiled, and get them back in fighting shape for the Thanksgiving. So that's after we spray it with water and a little bit of alcohol to raise the grain. So after you use it and wash it the first, second, third time, you won't get that kind of weird fuzzy coming off the board. Got it by the wood stove to dry it so we can go on to 320. Okay, well the boards are all done. They are oiled with Food Safe mineral oil and also finished with our own board butter, which is also food safe. Sorry I had to dub over the top of this, but I was talking real soft when I made the recording because my wife was sleeping and didn't want to wake her up. But I hope you enjoyed the video and have a wonderful upcoming holiday season. Thanks for watching.